Hi everyone, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with day 7 of the Grace and Gratitude. So let's get into it. And it's titled, Grace Is. Grace is overlooking an offense. It is not seeking payback towards someone who's wronged you. It's covering someone else's shortcomings with quite love. It is paying someone else's debt for nothing in return. Grace is stepping into someone else's place when they aren't able to be there. Grace is Jesus taking on our sin before we ever even love him. Grace is what God extends to us each and every day. It seems there are no words to express enough gratitude to equal the gift of grace. Yet gratefulness is the best response. So begin today and every day with thanksgiving and gladness for God's grace. I want to thank you all for watching. I will see y'all next week for day 8 of the Grace and Gratitude. Bye-bye for now.